Opening our dockable conduit splitting palette, we can see a number of features. One of those features allows us to simply align couplings. We can select a conduit, initiate the native Revit splitting feature, and place two different couplings. Now once we select those, we can initiate our Align Couplings feature from this window or directly from the ribbon above. We select the coupling that we want to align to, and it pulls all other couplings in alignment with it. The next feature is our Decouple Run feature. When we delete couplings from a Revit model, we can see it just places a gap in there, but sometimes we want to repair those. So instead, we will select them and use the Decouple feature, which heals those conduits and removes the couplings. Now we are going to begin splitting. Since this is an underground system, we are going to be using bought-out fittings and straights between them. Here we can see we've got several splitting features. The ones on the left are for splitting single conduits. The ones on the right are for splitting multiple parallel conduits. We can split just the next set of couplings, all couplings until we reach a fitting, or the entire conduit run. We are going to change my stock length to 20 feet and initiate the Split to Fittings feature. Next, we are going to move on to my overhead conduits. We are going to split the run, but we want to approach this with a different stock length, so we will apply 10 feet in my settings. We will go in, split run multiple, and place our couplings. We can validate the length of this selection with our conduit lengths feature. That's going to tell us that this one is 8 foot, 11 and 5/8 inches, and this one is 10 feet. Now we will begin splitting these, and we will move throughout the rest of our run. Since these are just single conduits, we can initiate our single split feature. It will place couplings, and now we've got a fully defined and fabricatable conduit system.